Mask or social distancing का Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning and greetings to all. Happy 75th Independence Day. A very warm and cordial welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, sir, Shri H.S. Pandey, sir, Chairman BMC and GM SECL Jovila area. May I now request Honorable Sir to kindly hoist the national flag. भारत माता की, भारत माता की। Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. have got a speech from class 12 student Amrisha Tripathi. Speech.
Wishing a mesmerizing morning to respected chief guest, principal, teachers and my dear friends. August 15 brings back all the memories of India's historical freedom struggle. The day marks the creation of world's largest democracy. This year we have completed 74th year of independence. August 15 is the day to cherish and celebrate. The tricolor flag is being hoisted on every pivotal building, square, street, housing society and even on the dashboard of cars. What a treat to the eyes. I am equally ecstatic about this day too and hold a great pride in living in a free country. For many years of its long history, India faced incursions by Turks, Arabs, Persians and others. By 19th century, Great Britain became the dominant power on the subcontinent. After years of non-violent struggle, India gained its independence in 1947. India is considered one of the potential superpowers of the world. India's magnificent resources, its talented and well-cultured teeming multitude citizens, its reserve of great military strength, fast-growing, diverse economy and educated workforce being an important center of technology services, its culture, tradition and heritage make it incredible India. Living in world's largest democracy, a country which provides you all the rights and allows you to live freely is no less gratification. But there are some areas where our country needs improvement. We need to weed out issues like discrimination, corruption, religion-based riots from the country. We all are human until race discriminated us, religion separated us, politics divided us and wealth classified us. We all are free, but we need bit more to get free from hypocrisy, conservative thinking and narrow-mindedness. And I believe every change is brought by youth. And we have a great youth and we will recuperate these issues soon. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
That was so true and so good from Amrisha Tripathi. Now Janki Soni with a solo song. Janki Soni. Now the last of its cultural programs, we have got poetry recitation, class 3rd.
मेरा नाम वैष्णवी सिंह है। मैं क्लास 3A में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपको एक देशभक्ति की कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। लाल किले के आस पास है आज़ादी का मेला, सबसे ऊपर नाच रहा झंडा एक अकेला। कदम मिलाते बैंड बजाते फौजी आते जाते, पूरे लॉन में बच्चे बूढ़े चने मुरमुरे खाते हैं। सब कहते हैं आज के दिन आज़ाद हुआ था देश, आज के दिन अंग्रेजों का राज हुआ था शेष। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
So it was very good from Vaishnavi Singh. Now may I now request Honorable Sir for his blessing on this auspicious day. Sir, please.
The most respected and revered national flag of our country, principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya, and all the faculty of our school. I wish you all very happy Independence Day. And to all the students who are not present here because of lockdown restrictions, I also wish them a very happy Independence Day. And all the 4 programs which were presented here by all your students were outstanding. And the most liked one was "Main rahu ya na rahu, Bharat rehna chahiye." It was a great composition, and it should be the feeling of all the citizens of this country, and we should take forward this country to further heights. It has been a very painful last year, and still it is continuing in the wake of 3rd wave of COVID we are expecting. But in all such difficult situation, all of you, all the faculty of school and other staff, you all are coming to the school and attending all the students' requirement. That is a very great thing, and I really congratulate you for all these efforts, and also request you on this occasion to continue this so that the students of our school can get accolades though they are not coming physically to the school. And I also congratulate you all for the outstanding results in secondary school examination board exams and 12th CBSE board exams. That was possible because of all of your efforts. And I am also observing that there are some outstanding faculties, especially in science field in this school. I congratulate all of you on this occasion because I don't get opportunity to come and have discussion with you because of all the busy schedules and all. But I take today's opportunity to really congratulate you from the core of my heart and whole of the Johila SCCL family. And again I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
For your kind words, encouragements and blessings. Thank you so much, sir. May I now request Anuja Rai madam for vote of thanks.
सम्माननीय श्री हेमंत शरद पांडे सर, अध्यक्ष विद्यालय प्रबंधन समिति एवं महाप्रबंधक SCCL जोहिला एरिया, विद्यालय में उपस्थित माननीय अतिथिगण, प्राचार्य महोदय, शिक्षक साथी एवं नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों, आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस का ये समारोह आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव के रूप में देश में मनाया जा रहा है। और इस महोत्सव में 4 चांद लगाने, अपने विचारों द्वारा इस महोत्सव को सार्थक बनाने के लिए अपने बहुमूल्य समय से वक्त निकालकर हमारे बीच उपस्थित माननीय महाप्रबंधक महोदय को मैं विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से हार्दिक धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ। साथ ही विद्यालय में उपस्थित हमारे अतिथिगणों का, जिन्होंने अपनी उपस्थिति से कार्यक्रम में जीवंतता प्रदान की, उन्हें भी मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ। साथ ही नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे जो कुछ ही संख्या में हमारे बीच उपस्थित हैं, लेकिन उनकी उपस्थिति इस समारोह में जान डालती है, और साथ ही उनको भी मैं बहुत सारा धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ। और इस उम्मीद के साथ कि अगले साल जब हम इस अवसर पर उपस्थित होंगे, आज़ादी का ये महोत्सव मना रहे होंगे, तो बच्चों के पदचाप से ये विद्यालय गुलजार होगा और उनके जय हिंद के नारों और भारत माता की जय के नारों से ये आसमान गुंजायमान होगा। इसी उम्मीद के साथ एक बार पुनः मैं सभी को ढेर सारा धन्यवाद और शुभकामनाएं प्रेषित करती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Honorable Sir, and thanks to all.
10 मिनट पहले हो जाने से पढ़ना आया नहीं था, आ गया चल रहा है वो। हाँ अभी सब हो गया, एलवन डिसाइड हो जाए, बढ़िया कर देंगे स्कूल। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके, थैंक यू। बुके